So one of the bad things too about this car is the seal. This one is broken. So what I did is I went to the junkyard and took out a weather strip seal on the passenger side. Actually, the passenger side works. So I'm gonna try it here. Remove this. So what I did is I just pull out the rubber seal here. Then you could grab this one over here. Try to pry it off. These are just being held by clips. Yep. So there are some clips over here. So got the clips taken out. So got some major big ones over here, and this one are pain in the butt to take out. So this taken out. This one is from the passenger side. This one is from the passenger side. So yeah, they actually work. I mean, it could be on either side. So trying to place them here. So actually there's a seam in here that it's usually placed in here in this section. This side. So actually it worked. The passenger side is compatible with driver's side. What I noticed is there are some areas where the curb, yeah, it's not gonna straighten out in this case, yeah. But it's doable enough. I think over time this will straighten out. So it's a little bit curved in here. Then things are looking good. Yep. Usually this seam is like over here, and then this one. Yep. So I don't have cracks anymore. And when I close it, I could feel that it's really tight. No air when I drive. The only thing I notice is the gap. So if you notice from here, this plastic is, yep, there's a gap in here, a really large gap. So I don't know, maybe it's a little off, but I see the same gap too on the passenger side, but it's not as big as this one on the driver's side. Yeah, temporarily, until I could find one in the junkyard that's probably in good shape. But I think most of this, they usually have like tears on this one or on this area.